I'm gonna show you how to connect your Quotex into your Tradingview. So to get started, you need to open your Tradingview first, and then from here, actually you cannot connect your Quotex in your Tradingview since it's not affiliated with Tradingview. But there's a chance, or there's a way to trade or using Tradingview with your Quotex account. So to do this, is all you have to do is go to quotex.com, where you can do it by using Tradingview as your reference point for your trades, and then inputting all the trades in Quotex. So from there, you guys have to go to quotex.com, and then you want Tradingview as your reference point. You can put all indicators right here, and then you can go to Quotex and input all the necessary details. And when your indicators met your criteria, you can now trade using your Quotex. So that's it. You cannot connect your Quotex using Tradingview, but you can use Tradingview as your stepping stone or your trading platform or your indicator platform. So that's it. That's how you connect your Quotex to your Tradingview.